Not since the Series 0 of the Apple Watch has there been so much interest on social media about the Apple Watch. The Apple Watch Ultra changes that, because really, there hasn't been that huge of a redesign to any of the series of the watches. Yes, there were bigger screens and smaller bezels, but really, you could read it and think, oh, screen's bigger, nice, move on. But when the Apple Watch Ultra comes along and it is touted as the extreme weather, deep diver, trail explorer type of device, interest spikes, as did mine. Unboxing the Apple Watch, you will get the standard pieces in the box. A quick user guide, which is actually a well put together book rather than just a few pieces of paper, shows you a quick guide on features of the watch. As well, you will get the upgraded watch charger. Yes, it is still the puck, no stand is included yet, but the cable is now braided a lot like the other new 22 devices, and has a metal casing around the puck which adds some weight to it. It makes it less likely to fly off your desk or table. Something that I was not aware of when I first decided to purchase the watch is that there is only one model. There is no just GPS model. There is only GPS plus cellular, so that does make it easier when deciding which one to get. But if you don't want the cellular, it is a $100 upgrade on the other series of watches. So would it be nice to make this $100 cheaper? I would think so, but they obviously decided against it, and we'll see if they decide to bring it to the newer versions. Myself, I am coming from the Series 5 GPS plus cellular anyways, so this does work for me. So like I said, I am coming from the Series 5, and I have had zero issues with it other than the battery. In the two and a half years that I have had it, the battery has already dropped down to 82%. And it was not able to make a full day with always on display turned on. So I had to turn that off to allow it to make it from morning to night. To put in comparison, I still have my Series 3, and its battery is at 80%. And this is 2 years older than the Series 5. So when I heard that the Ultra can push the full 2 days without a charge, this struck my interest, as I wear my Series 3 to sleep to give me a little bit of data while I sleep. So wearing the Ultra while I sleep gives me better information with more sensors and no need to keep 2 watches charged and sync. And yeah, I'm aware I'm overdoing it. So in my first week of use with the Ultra, I am noticing already the added value of the bigger battery and the added sensors. Sleeping, ECG, heart rate, blood oxygen, and fitness zones are all new categories, and I will go in depth in the full review at the end of my return period, and will let you know if I do decide to keep the Ultra Watch or whether I go back to the Series 5. Now to the bands. Not having any options in the actual watch itself does make it easier when choosing the watch. The band you choose is the second biggest decision. I decided to go with the Trail Loop in the black/gray with the orange accent, and I am glad I did. It is the most comfortable strap I have used, and I have been an Apple Watch user since the Series 1. I have had all kinds of bands, from the standard strap, the Nike strap, leather, fake leather, and even a metal interlock band. The Trail Loop is the one you go with for normal use. If you are using this for extreme diving or hiking, then the others may be more fitting. But for the average daily user, the Trail Loop will not disappoint. That is my first impressions of the Apple Watch Ultra. I will be doing a full review, so be sure to be subscribed to be notified when that goes live. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and be sure to check out this video that YouTube has recommended for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.